Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on account updates on your account on TikTok on email notification settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications. Next click email notifications, and now you will find here account updates. Just click like this and this will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.